Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So it was a Sunday, everybody, and if you know Jamaican culture, we just have to have rice and peas on Sunday and cook this whole heap of food. But this day was an exception for me. I was not having it, not feeling it, not in the mood, so I kept it simple. I opted for saltfish fritters. Fish fritters is that you're gonna soak the saltfish. Get your saltfish, soak it in some water, or you can choose to scald out the salt. After soaking the saltfish for, depending on your taste and how much salt you love, you're gonna pick the saltfish. When we say pick, you're going to clean it up. If it's not the saltfish that does not need to be cleaned, but if it's the one that needs to be cleaned, you're going to clean it up and you're going to debone it. I use the one that has to be picked, has to be deboned and cleaned. Chop some green onions and regular onion, whether the white one or the purple one. I choose the purple one. And you're gonna get a bowl and put everything into the bowl, the onion and the saltfish that was picked. Up next, you crack an egg. Depending on the amount of persons you're catering for, I'm catering for only 2 persons. So I only need 1 egg. I'm not gonna make a lot of fritters. I will add salt and black pepper to the egg and pour it into the bowl with the saltfish and the seasoning, the green onions and purple onions. After which I will add at least a cup of water. After that, I will add some chili flakes. Give it a stir, then I add some flour. Do not add a lot of flour to make it thick like a dough. You want this to be runny, but with a little body. So I will use a board spoon to turn the flour and then mix it out. You can use whichever spoon you like, but I think my board spoon or a board spoon just work better and give a better result overall. Flour and add little. Do not add the flour at once because you might add too much unless you have a really good judgment at doing this. So consistently add your flour little and watch the consistency build up. Make sure you mix out that flour until all flour is dissolved. In the end, all you should be seeing is your green onions and your purple onions or white onions and the saltfish. You should not be seeing any powdery substance like flour before you start to fry. You should have just this creamy looking butter. Next step is to get your saucepan, your dutchy pot, your frying pan, whatever. Pour some oil. Pour enough oil. That's when you put the batter into the pan. It covers it. Make sure the oil is hot. Cold oil is gonna soak up into the fritters and you don't want that excess oil into your fritters. After your oil is hot, make sure you put the stove on low to medium heat. Then you use a spoon or a scoop to drop. We call it spoon drop your fritters. You're gonna fry on both sides until golden brown. My dutchy pot, no fancy pot, a dutchy pot. Something about the dutchy pot, it just gives the texture and the flavor of the food that you are cooking a different flavor than when I use the regular non-stick frying pan. Yeah. When taking out your fritters, allow it to drain. Put it on a napkin or paper towel to absorb the excess oil. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.